Tools used in removal and replacement. Ensure that you have the tools you need before you begin. These should include small, Phillips head, P0 and P1, screwdrivers. Small, flat blade screwdriver or a flat blade alignment tool. Case separator tool. Tweezers. Electrostatic discharge, ESD, wrist or shoe strap. Smooth jaw, bent tip needle nose pliers, optional. Small, smooth tip needle nose pliers, optional. Flashlight, optional. Note, if worn or damaged screwdriver tips are used, the small screw heads could become stripped.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, speakers, M.2 solid-state drives, thermal module, DC-in module, motherboard, and CU plate. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna and display panel cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel on the top cover. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open the display panel hinges to approximately 90 degrees. While supporting the top cover, remove the 6 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left and right display panel hinges to the top cover. Slide the top cover off of the display panel hinges and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.